After clicking the link, this page will show. You can enter your username. You can choose username whatever you want. Then you have to enter your email address and wait for the verification code. The verification code will come into your email. After that, you have to make sure your invitation code is this. It ends with 89. The other thing you can do is you can also make an account with the phone number. Yes, enter your username. You can choose whatever you want. Then you can choose your country and from this list and enter your phone number. Then enter your verification code. It comes to your phone number, and then make sure your invitation code is this. So after that, you have to go to the Chrome extension. Now you have to go to the Chrome and add the metamask into your Chrome extension like this. Then the account will appear. Now what you have to do is you have to add the smart chain into your wallet. Go to the settings. Now go to network and add network. I already added, so that's why it is showing smart chain. You can click on add network, enter all the details. Yes, you can enter all the details. Make sure the network name is smart chain. Enter the URL, ChainID, symbol, and block explorer. You have to do this to make your wallet a smart chain wallet, and then choose smart chain. Now you have to go to the Mobox website, connect wallet, and then you have to click on a metamask. Then the option will appear. You can connecting your wallet with this website, and next connect, and your account is connected.
Okay, now we will see how to make an account on mobile. Go to your store, write Mobox, and this app will appear in your store. Now what you have to do is, before download, make sure you see their reviews and downloads. Right now this app have reviews of 3.7 almost, and the downloads is almost 10k. So make sure these two things and then download this app. Now you can click on open and go to registration. You can make account through mobile or email. We will making account through email. Enter your email. Now make sure your invitation code is 10616889. Okay, enter this code in your invitation code and then click on next. When you click on next, enter your username. You can choose whatever name you want in the username. Now click continue, enter the verification code. Your code will be in your email, and you can enter password, and make sure your password has some special capital letters. Now this is your account. You made an account.
Now you have to go to the wallet section, the left side of games. Now you can add an account, you can make a new wallet on mobile, and it is very easy. Yes, like you can create an account of Mobox, right? When you click on the Mobox wallet, your account will automatically create on this, and it is very easy. The other way is you can also make a BSC account, the Binance Smart Chain account. You can add on my wallet, and then you can create a new, or you can import your old one. You can do both things. So right now I am importing, I am making a new account. Okay, So here you can see I make a new account and my recovery seeds are here. Make sure you save these recovery seeds. It is really important. If you forgot these seeds, it means you lost your wallet. Always make sure you save these seeds in your computer or thing. So now what I'm doing is I am adding my seed. I'm saving my seeds. Okay. You can also import your old one. So right now what I do is I will add my old wallet with this account. What I have to do is I will go to the Binance Smart Change and add a wallet and import wallet, and here